Alright guys, welcome to Pappy's Keepers. Hopefully I get me my first fish of the year. It's been tough for me. I know a lot of other people aren't having that trouble, but without being able to get out a lot and not many places to go right now because the weather's always been pretty nasty when I can get out. But today I'm gonna try the Cicada challenge. I know people have done it before, but I want to see what it's like. And here are these guys right now. Look at this. I caught them in my backyard. It only took me about 10 minutes. I could have caught more, but I wanted to get out here. So let's see what happens. What I'm going to rig today is I got a bobber for weight and just a plain old hook, and I'm going to hook them behind the plate by their tail so they can still flutter around. So let's see if any fish. I'm trying to get some bass, but if any, probably bluegill mainly are going to hit them, but hopefully I can get some bass. Yeah, I got a smaller hook on there now, so if they take it, maybe they'll be able to get it in their mouth. Uh-oh, is this my first fish of the year? A nice thick bluegill right on the top of the mouth with a cicada. Pretty, it's a nice pretty one. Got another one. All bluegill so far. These aren't bad little bluegill. If you ate them, they might be good for you. But I just can't get the bass that I'm looking for, but I'm getting bluegill, so at least I'm catching something so far. Get another small one. There's another one. Nice little one. I think I'm gonna hook him through the lip and let him swim around. Cold. There's one. Got a bluegill though. There he is. Oh, darn.
Le who? The her.
Alright guys, I didn't catch anything big today. A lot of bluegills. Well, probably about 5 of them. I only had about, say about 60 cicadas in there. But hopefully I got that one big bass that popped on it. That was my error. I didn't let him take it. As soon as I saw the pop, I tried to set the hook. Hopefully I got him on camera so I can at least see him. So thanks for watching. Feels good to catch my first fish of the year, even though it's so late in the year. So I think next time I'm gonna sneak down here. Well, yeah, I don't have to sneak, but I'm gonna come down here with my kayak. That way I don't have to deal with all these reeds and stuff around here. So thanks for watching. Stick around, and maybe I'll get a nice sized bass next time, or some bass. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.